Morning guys, so it is Friday morning today and we are going out today. We're going to do, I've got a couple of bricks to repair on a job. We have to change guttering first because that's leaking. We're going to pull about 30 bricks out, and then there's also a big crack in brickwork, and we're going to grind that out, take a few bricks out that are cracked and put the bars in and resin them in to try and stop it cracking again. So we're going to turn up today. There's a lot of bricks. I mean, hopefully I'll be able to patch a few in where just corners have gone, because it's a really old building. It used to be a barn many years ago. So the guy's got some bricks, he says. I don't know how many. I think he's got quite a few, he said, so there should be enough for what we need. I just need to get the cement to match. So what I'm going to do, it's Friday today. We're going to try and get the cement in. Oi, come here. Dog barking. So we're going to get the cement in. 2 different mixers I'll probably put on. Try and find the best match for it. And we'll go from there. I think it's lime. But when I went and priced a job, I looked at it and it looks like the cement, they've used cement in it as well as lime for the pointing. So I think the bricks are laid on lime, but it's obviously been cement pointed before, so we need to match that colour. Right, so we'll get on today. We'll do the guttering. I'll do a couple of test holes, and then we'll give it weekend. Come back, have a look at my mortar, see what that's like, see if we can get it, see which one's the better match, and then we'll crack on and get the job finished in 2 days hopefully. So right, let's go to the job. So this is it. You can see all holes already in brickwork. So we're hoping to patch some with new bricks, and then hopefully little ones we can just fill in, because it's been done before where it's just been filled in and it'll should match fine. Right, let's crack on. So we've got it all off. We've had to grind all the joints off, and then we'll put these ones back on. Some more, and these just clip. The other ones had screw holes in there. Where are they? These are the old ones, look. They had a screw head on to hold them, and it's just solid, so I've had to grind them off to get them out. So even if I'd have grinded that off, I'd still had to mess about trying to get another screw in. So we're just going to use these. I just took bend off, and that's what it's all like, so no wonder it was leaking. That one's clear, that one's full. It's better. Right, so we've got all brackets ready. Take line off and we'll put gutter on. So we've got gutter on. I've knocked a few out there and just shoved brick in, and I'm gonna put a mix on. I've got some sand. Original house is lime, but if you look at that pointing, let's try and zoom in a bit. It's definitely got cement in. So it's lime and cement. So we need to match that if we can. So I've got some lime and some rubbery cement, darker stuff, because it looks quite dark underneath that. So I'm going to bob 2 different mixers on, and we'll lay 2 of them bricks with different mixers on. It's Friday today, so by the time we come back on Monday, it should have set and we can pick which one matches the best. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so this mix is 4 sand, 1 cement, 1 lime, and it already looks quite a bit light to me. So we'll bed these bricks in anyway with this. I haven't bothered using any plasticizer in this, so I don't want to affect it anymore with having lime in. This is a bit of a thingy brick, triangular, isn't it? Oh, it's tight, this one. Different thicknesses, but that's how they all are, so it should match. Okay, 4 sand, 1 cement, half a lime. That's looking a bit better already while it's wet. So let's get another brick in. So it's Monday and these bricks should have set, but they haven't set perfectly, but the colour's not that bad. That one just doesn't seem to have gone off at all yet after the weekend, but this one seems to be setting the right colour with the second mix, so it's still got some drying out to do, so I think we're going to be there with this one. So we'll go for this one. Knocked a few out, look, and this is what we're doing, just putting these in, then I'll bed them all in then. So we've got about 2 bricks left to put in, and then I'll just show you this as a cracking wall, and we're going to put some bar in and some resin. We're going to do that before we go home, show you it. So that's it, it's been pointed up before and you can tell, and it's cracked some bricks that we're going to have to take out, and we're going to try putting these bars in and resin them in, so hopefully that will stop it. So that's what we're going to try, and if it don't, but we're going to give it a go anyway. So these are the bars. So these are the bars, got 6 of these. I would say they're about probably about 800 long. They've got a twist in them. So I did a mill years ago, and we repaired a chimney stack on it, and these are what we used. So these are what I've been using since then, really, and they seem to work pretty well. And then you just put your anchor resin in there to hold it, then cement over it. So we're going to crack on with that in a bit when we get these 2 bricks done. Fits in your normal silicone gun. I've got them all in, they all fit. So what we're going to do is we're just going to pop that one in there, put resin in, and then we'll put bar in, then some more resin on top. I've got 2 tubes, so hopefully... Oh, hang on, it's coming out black, we need it mixed. So you're going to keep squeezing it till it comes out grey, which I just didn't do. So we'll go with that. That's it, it's mixed together now. Right. That's it. Put some more in now. This stuff's really hard to get out of the gun, so we're taking it in turns. We're doing 1 line each. Look, oh, sore hands. So that's it, we're just brushing off the final bit, but it's
pitch black at the minute. Well, it ain't pitch black, but it's getting dark. My phone's showing light, but it's a lot darker than what it is. So what I'll do is, it's only Monday today, so what I'll do is I'll come back probably Saturday when it's fruit day, and we'll have a look and we'll see if it's gone out the same colour and everything. So that's it, it's now the following Saturday, so these have had a week to set. So I'm just at gate because I don't want to go in and pester them on a Saturday morning. And yeah, so it looks pretty good, all colours same. He's texted me saying he's happy with it and everything. So yeah, pretty happy with this one. It's gone pretty well. Right guys, I'll see you in the next one.